And here are examples of transitive or non-transitive things. So your set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and I want everyone to be able to figure out whether these things are transitive or not. Okay? R1, who's going to tell me? Again, 10 seconds rule. Okay? Think about it at 10 seconds. I don't expect or accept any answer in before 10 seconds. Can I just request girls to answer this one? Is R1 transitive or not? Raise hands, don't answer. You have an answer? You have an answer? You have an answer? Any of the other girls? First row girls? Okay, I'm happy to see your hand raised. How about you guys? Yes, no? You have no idea whether this thing is transitive or not? Construct its diagram. Construct its diagram. Okay, so you have 1, 2, you have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, then 2, 3. Think about it, give it some time. Don't talk to each other. Don't talk to each other, okay? That hurts you. You have an answer? Okay. Do you guys have an answer? Yes? No? No? Okay. No? You have an answer? You have an answer? Ramin, do you have an answer? Okay, don't call me sir again. Do you guys, Adan, right? Arij? Oh, how come I don't have your name? Oh, okay, Arij, right? Okay, and do you have an answer? We are working on it. I know roughly half of your names, okay? For the rest of half, please stop by my office and introduce yourself, okay? If I haven't called out your name in class, that would be helpful for me. So, okay, you guys, what's the answer? It's not transitive. Why it's not transitive? जोर से बोलें. So देखो, to prove that this is not transitive, you need to tell me what x is, what y is, what z is, and that's it. Finish. और कुछ नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Okay? अब मुझे ये बता दें x क्या होगा, y क्या होगा, z क्या होगा, जिसके ऊपर transitivity की condition fail हो रही है. Okay? That's the way to say कि ये transitive नहीं है. Here's an x, here's an y, here's a z. Go check the condition yourself. Okay? You have an answer? I'm going to come back to you guys in the next example. I'm just kind of concentrating on the folks who don't talk much in the class, okay? Hafsa, you said you had an answer. Okay, is this transitive? It's not. Why is this not?
Because if x is 1
Okay.
and y is 2 and z is 3,
Okay.
there's no room for 2, 2, I mean y, and z.
Oh, but you don't need x, y, y is easy. What you need is x, z. है ना? So you specify x as 1, y as 2. तो फिर आपके पास y 1, 2 है. Okay, cool. Then you said y, z, 2, 3 भी है. So I'm looking for x, z. X, z यहाँ पे है? 1, 3 is here. 1, 3. So this is not the triple where this thing fails. Is there any other triple where this thing fails? Do you have an answer? I'm going to come back to you in the next example, okay? So this thing is, yes, this thing is transitive. This nice looking thing is transitive, okay? Okay, move on guys. R2. Guys with glasses, okay? Guys with glasses only, okay? R2, is this transitive? I'm going to come back to you guys, okay? Without glasses, don't worry about it. Guys with glasses. I hope I don't, I mean, that's not an exclusive set, but you have an answer? Let me wait 10 seconds, okay? Maybe 10 seconds have passed. You have an answer for this one? You don't wear glasses, okay? Hold on to your horses for now. Let me just check myself. Okay, go ahead. Yes. Good. This is not transitive because if I take x to be 1, y to be 2, and z to be 4, then I have xy, I have yz, but I don't have xz. Okay? Awesome. R3, blue or black shirts? And that's you, Gauri Saab. Tell me. No, don't think. Give me an answer, man. Come on. Think is. This is transitive. Okay. Let me just check for myself just to make sure that it is. Go from 4 to 3. 3. Oh. Oh. Silence, guys. Silence. Okay. I can say, oh, you cannot. Okay. What? You just answered it. Okay, remain silent. I'll come back to you later. Okay. Anyone else? You know this. Okay, cool. Good to hear that any of the guys in this group. R2 transitive नहीं है. R2 transitive नहीं है क्योंकि you know why this is not transitive, right? So example में हमने we pick 1 as x, y as 2, yes, and z as 4. So you'll be able to see that x y है, y z है, x z नहीं है. Let me just make sure that your diagram. Yeah, your diagram is all right. So you see, there is an arrow from 1 to 2. There's an arrow from 2 to 4, but there is no arrow from 1 to 4. Okay? Yes. We are talking about R3 and don't call me sir. How many times do I have to tell you? Kya? Why? Okay. 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 Oh, but you don't have 1 to 2. You're taking x1, y2, है ना? तो 1, 2 आपके पास नहीं है. Premise false होगी ना? I just said, okay, go ahead. X को 1 लें, y को 4 लें, तो आपके पास 1, 4 नहीं होगा यहाँ पे. You're saying this is transitive. I think it's not transitive, guys. I think it's not transitive. I think it's not transitive. Hold on a second. I'm not sure actually. Just give me a second, okay? That's the problem with talking before thinking. Silence, folks. If I take 4 to 3, I can go to 3, and then wherever I go, yeah, this is transitive. This thing is transitive. This is transitive. Sorry about that. This is transitive. Sorry, what? You don't need 3. Why do you need 3, 4? Think of any x, y, z where you need 3, 4. To need 3, 4, you would set x to 3 and z to 4. है ना? अब जब आप कह रहे हैं 3, 4 नहीं है ना, तो फिर x आपका 3 होगा और z आपका 4 होगा. अब आपने y डिसाइड करना है, which makes the premise true, and yeah. So what's your premise there? है ना? All right. The last one. Any other people who haven't said anything in the class so far? 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1. Transitive or not? You have said something, I guess. You have said something too. Yes. Professor, it's not transitive. Okay, why this is not transitive? Yes. Perfect. Awesome. Cool. If you take x to be 3, y to be 4, and z to be 1, you have 3, 4, 4, 1, but you don't have 3, 1. Okay, so this is not transitive. Are we good? So I guess transitivity is sinking in somewhat by this point. Okay. Don't talk to each other, guys. Talk to me. I'm right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay.